Hello everyone, this is Chris with 21 Offroad and Sticker Fab. I know I haven't been doing any videos lately, just been really busy. We did lose our two-door Bronco, so every once in a while I have to share my Bronco with someone else in my family. Did also get a Jeep 392. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of things similar and different. If you guys want to hear about that, I can make a video. But today we're just going to talk about this simple storage organizer. Now, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. You assemble this, and the goal is so that you don't have something like this going on. As you can see, my stepdaughter has been using this vehicle, and there's just like random stuff stuck into here. This is actually stuck up there because she has some random box in here. I don't know if someone's been giving her jewelry or something. But this organizer basically gives you one long area in the back and 2 smaller ones in the front. I'm going to assemble it and put it in there and basically show you what it does. Alright, so here's what's going on. The left panel is marked left, the right panel is marked right, and then this one is marked with a front and a rear, I believe. Anyways, you want to put these side panels in there first, and then you kind of slip this with this bar into the channels right there, and then your install is done. I've pretty much put the user manual here, all the BS papers back there. I think we have a flash cowl right here, and then all of the normal stuff that she might grab while in this vehicle is up front. So now this is a lot more organized for her. Everything is still in there, but it actually makes sense. So when you want to dig for the insurance is right here. That's important. And her lotion or whatever, some business cards if she sees any people while out and about right there. But it makes a little bit more sense, plus this does not break the bank. Oh yeah, that jewelry box thing, I'll just put that right back there, and it does still fit. So thank you guys so much for your support as always. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things we are coming out with for the 2021 and up Ford Bronco.